Díoghuit agus fáilte Irish. Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 5 really great phrases that's going to help you understand and speak better Irish. So let's get straight into it with this phrase here, den chuid is mó. Den chuid is mó, which means mainly or chiefly or to a large extent. Is fear sin den chuid is mó. That's mainly true. Is fear sin den chuid is mó. Bhí an taisolalas dearfach den chuid is mó. The feedback is positive to a large extent. Bhí an taisolalas dearfach den chuid is mó. And let's break down the word taisolalas, which is a really useful word that you can use in a variety of contexts. It comes from the word ash-olalas, which means feedback. So if we break that down, ash means back or return, like at the start of the video when I said fáilte Irish, welcome back. And olalas then means information. So it literally translates into back information or return information, aka feedback. Now next we're going to move on and we're going to use this word here, neart. Neart means strength, but it can also mean a plentiful supply of something or lots of something. Neart alma means plenty of time. Tá neart alma aguin go fóill. We have plenty of time yet. Tá neart alma aguin go fóill. Tá neart bia an sin. There's plenty of food there. Tá neart bia an sin. Tá neart airgid aige. He has loads of money. Tá neart airgid aige. So in many cases, just putting the word neart before a noun can really add to the variety of your Irish and its richness. Next, this word here, ara laid. Ara laid. This means at least. Tá tusa réig ara laid. You're ready at least, or at least you're ready. Tá tusa réig ara laid. Túr an targad ar ash ara laid. Give the money back at least, or at least return the money. Túr an targad ar ash ara laid. And there's that word, or series of words, ar ash. That pops up again. We had that a few moments ago, which means to give something back or to return something. Túr an targad ar ash ara laid. Now, our next useful word that's going to be really handy to create some more really useful phrases is this word here, slám. Slám means a pile of or a hatful of something. Usually it's meant in the context of a number of items or things, but not an excessive amount. For example, fuair sé slám cúil inné. He got a hatful of goals yesterday. Fuair sé slám cúil inné. Tugann ma athair slám airgid do Julia. My father gives Julia a fistful of money, or a pile of money, or a handful of money. Tugann ma athair slám airgid do Julia. This word here is next, lách. Lách. And this means friendly or affable, usually referring to a decent or warm-hearted person. Bhí bealach lách aige. He had a friendly way. Bhí bealach lách aige. Tá sé anna lách agus anna chardúil mar dhuine. As a person, he's very friendly and very likeable. Tá sé anna lách agus anna chardúil mar dhuine. So, anna lách and anna chardúil there basically mean the same thing. Lách is just another word for chardúil, which means friendly. So you could view it this way. Anna lách could be very likeable, L for likeable and L for lách. And then anna chardúil could be just very friendly, if you want to look at it that way. Because it probably makes more sense because cairde refers to friends and chardúil friendly. But either way, it's good to have more than one way to describe someone as being likeable, affable, or just a very nice person. Tá sé an lách agus an chardúil mar chuine. So I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. And if you want to support me, you can do so by Patreon or PayPal or by Revolut. Links will be in the description. Don't forget to check out Molly McHale's wonderful channel, Gaeilge in chroí. She's a really fantastic and inspirational content creator, and she's currently running some amazing courses as well. So make sure you check those out. That's it for now. I'll see you next time. Slán go fóill.